The article presented on the Revista Latina de Comunicación Social under the title Research on Ethics Education for Journalists in Spain, Bibliometric Analysis and Applied Educational Terms has been written by Pilar Sánchez García, Dunia Etura, and myself, Marta Redondo. We are all researchers at Valladolid University in Spain. The research is part of a wider academic debate on the professional and educational changes in journalism. It provides a bibliometric analysis of the academic articles published in Spanish scientific journals on journalistic ethics and deontology education for the period 2005 and 2015. The aim is to address the possible analytical weaknesses and strengths and to establish the terms prescribed by experts about journalistic ethics education. The article presents a first theoretical section that gathers the perspectives from different national and international authors: Christians and Covert, Payne, Richardson, Callahan and Buck, de Sánchez, Díaz del Campo, or Jiménez Gómez. Likewise, the article addresses the importance that UNESCO attributes to the relationship between journalism and ethics education. The research applies a document review and content analysis methodology. The target population of the study is selected for the 52 journals included in the DICE database specialized in communication in Spain, with a collection of articles focused on journalistic ethics education. Thus, we obtain an initial sample of 39 articles related with journalism ethics or deontology, which in the end is reduced to 8 articles that are specifically linked to the discussion on ethics in the education of journalists. Despite the limitations of the final population, it has been deemed a significant indicator of the relative interest sparked by the research focus on ethics education in Spain. An analysis sheet specifically made for the purpose of the study was applied to these papers. This sheet is divided into 3 categories with the totality of variables to measure: article fact sheet, methodological analysis of the article, discourse analysis on ethics education. The application of the analysis saw the following specific results: reduced publication of academic research focusing on journalism ethics education. There is also a reduced number of authors and universities involved. The most frequently used methodology is empirical and mainly the survey, followed by the content and bibliometric analysis. Thus, experimental research does not exist in journalism ethics in Spain. The most common research subjects are the ones related with the content of the journalistic ethics course, with specific proposals such as the need of reinforcing philosophical approaches and case studies, proposing a thesaurus for the study of ethics, analysis of the main pedagogical objectives of the course, or the need of addressing violence and conflict in the course. Finally, one of the most relevant results of the study is the prescriptive character of some of these investigations. Some of the proposals are the need of promoting and applied education so that it responds to the company's situations, searching for new pedagogical methods directed towards the development of moral reflection that leads to decision-making, using applied philosophy, introducing actual cases in the ethical education of the journalist. There is also the suggestion that ethical education should be based on the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. And finally, intensify the cross-cutting idea of journalism as a public service. Results shown in this article are part of the research from a teaching innovation project called Assessment and Development of Teaching Methodologies on Communication and Media Competition from Valladolid University.